There we are. I bet you're wondering how those guys doing on that house. Well, here comes our latest installment. We've been, removing a lot of stuff out of the basement, and the basement is definitely cleaner. So let's go from the basement up. We took out the bladder, the water bladder, and the hot water heater, so the floor got a little bit wet. But otherwise, the basement looks pretty good. The pump works amazingly well. I know that because it had a leak the one day, one of the pipes. And we're getting rid of this beautiful hot water furnace too. We're going to put a radiant floor heat in the beast. So that'll be propane plus these 2 tanks. That's on the list of things to do. And, up here is, they have a couple, I don't know, posts, what you call them, on pieces of wood, which isn't the best. We're going to end up putting we'll scab a couple 2x8s together and run 2x8s to stiffen this whole floor up, and we'll put 3 or 4 decent posts and some cement bases on it. So anyway, the basement looks pretty good. The walls are fairly straight. No big issues with the basement. We got to put, redo our septic. They had all kinds of pipes coming out of that. So, and I'm sure by the time we get messing with the septic, we'll find it needs to be fixed or something. So, here's our wonderful stairs. They're getting, they haven't fell down yet, but they will be getting replaced. They're a little teetery when you go up and down them. So let's go upstairs and see the excitement up here. Here we're coming in from the back door of the house. You can see from corner to corner. It's amazing. No insulation for the most part. The walls, we've been getting most of the nails out of here, so someday we're gonna put furring strips to make these 6-inch walls. This is dimensional lumber, so it's 4 inches right now. So we're gonna make it so it's the same as equivalent to it's old school stuff. So we'll make it basically equivalent to the 2x6 walls of today. That way we get bigger insulation just on the exterior walls. We'll get bigger insulation and a more efficient house. So originally this was our kitchen in this area here. This was the kitchen, but we think we're going to move it over here. We'll see if we do move it, and we are getting rid of this wonderful chimney here. We can have a hallway right from this. This could be like a dining room here, and we'll have a hallway going right into this next room, which would be like a living room. So that's our plan today. Plans change, you never know. So here's our #1 destruction guy. He's working at it, doing a great job. Here's this nice old school walkway. We'll come in from the front door here. If you come in the front door where I am standing, this is pretty typical. You had a walkway right to there, and I would think that'd be pretty nice to walk to either the dining room or the living room. So when we had the kitchen here, it was a little problematic because we had an aisleway here, a doorway for the basement here. There's too many doors in the kitchen. So anyway, I don't think we're going to put a kitchen there, but it's a neat thing I'd like to keep. I was thinking about making it a closet. They had the prior owners had a toilet here, which is wonderful, which, believe it or not, we got rid of that. So let's go upstairs. We took the carpet off the steps. The steps they don't have 100 coats of paint on them, so that's pretty amazing. We're gonna take the rest of the paint off the stairs, varnish them up real nice, and they will look wonderful. The upstairs hasn't much changed. We ripped this out a while ago. We ripped the hardwood floor out. We're going to put a bathroom in here. We got a tub already set up, so we'll get moving with this. This isn't too much different. It looks a lot better. We got all the rest of the lath and the plaster out. This is my little saw room here where I can rip wood, whatever we need to do. And again, here's that wonderful chimney that's going to be saying bye-bye. We had a big storm up here not too long ago, and what happened, our tree guy, our chimney taker down guy, he's been busy doing emergency work. So anyway, so we'll get it down sooner or later. There's enough work in the house it's not like it's holding us back or anything. So here's our steps going to the attic. Those had to finally be replaced. I think I had a video of this prior. And I've been, you know, since it's been cold out, I've been putting a little bit of a knee wall up here. This is going to be like, my guess it'll be like a bonus room, right? It's, you know, not very tall. It's only about maybe 6 foot tall here, so it's not very tall. But it'd be nice for, you know, kids' playroom or whatever. So we've been putting the, you know, the knee wall up, some brackets on the knee wall there. So we'll have that short one there. Then I'll have a little higher knee wall here, and I'll have a doorway. You know, this is just big right now, but I'll have some kind of doorway, and that way we'll be able to get to like that window there could be actual attic space. But we're going to insulate this up. It's going to be wonderful. It'll be a great little space. And again, we'll bump these walls out to 6 inch, these exterior walls, and that way I get decent insulation in here, and you know, don't spend any money heating the place. So we'll see how that works, right? So again, this is that wonderful chimney. Hope to be leaving soon. So hopefully next video you see is it's gone, but maybe not. So hope you enjoyed the update, and keep watching, and I hope you have hope it's interesting. Talk to you later. Bye.